Money, Lesson 7, Counting Quarters and Dimes. Today we are learning how to count quarters and dimes to find the total value. A quarter is worth 25 cents. Here's the front of the quarter and the back of the quarter. Here's one way to write 25 cents, and this is how we write 25 cents using the dollar sign. Counting quarters is the same as counting by 25s. Let's count our quarters. 1 quarter is 25 cents. 2 quarters is 50 cents. 3 quarters is 75 cents. And 4 quarters is 100 cents or $1. Let's try that again. 25, 50, 75, 100. So the total value of 4 quarters is 100 cents or $1. A dime is worth 10 cents. Here's how we can write 10 cents with the cent symbol, and here's how we can write it with the dollar sign. $0, decimal point, 10 cents. Counting dimes is the same as counting by tens. Count out loud with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So 9 dimes has a total value of 90 cents. Let's count by 10 using this hundreds chart. Count out loud with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Oh my goodness, look at these coins over here. Here I need to add 25 cents plus 10 cents plus 10 cents. How do I add this? 25 plus 10 plus 10? It can be difficult to mentally add 10 to a number that doesn't end with a 0 because we're used to counting by tens. Sometimes our brain tricks us into adding 5 instead of 10. I'm going to show you a secret trick that will help you remember how to add 10 to any number on the hundreds chart. Are you ready? Look at the hundreds chart. What do you notice? Look for patterns. What do you see? I'm going to show you what I see. In this column, every number in the 1 column ends with 1. Every number in the 2 column ends with 2. Every number in the 3 column ends with 3. Every number in the 4 column ends with 4. Every number in the 5 column ends with 5. The 6 column, they all end with 6. The 7 column, they all end with 7. The 8 column all ends with 8s. The 9 column all ends with 9s. And in our 10 column here, all of the numbers end with 0. Okay, what else do you notice? There are 10 numbers in every row, right? Do you see that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 numbers there, 10 numbers there, 10 numbers there, all the way down. 10 numbers in every row. Okay, here comes the secret trick. Are you ready? Choose any number on the hundreds chart, 1 to 90, any number. So from 1 all the way to 90, choose a number. Just don't choose one from the last row here. Any number. Okay, do you have your number chosen? Add 10 to that number. Spoiler alert, spoiler alert, spoiler alert, spoiler alert. The answer is directly below the number you chose. Were you counting 10? Were you counting 10 more to get your answer? Guess what? I have an easier way. So, for example, I chose the number 33. Guess what? 10 plus 33, or 33 plus 10, we can solve it using addition, right? And it's going to take us a little bit of time. So let's start in our ones place. 3 plus 0 is 3. And 3 plus 1 is 4. So the answer is 43. 33 plus 10 is 43. Look at that. It was the number right below it on the hundreds chart. Ta-da! Let's see that again. Let's choose the number 67. See, I have 67 over here. 67 plus 10. Well, 7 plus 0 is 7, and 6 plus 1 is 7. So the answer to 67 plus 10 is 77, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That works for any number on this hundreds chart. Ta-da! This trick will really help us count our quarters and dimes more quickly and accurately. Make sure you have a hundreds chart with you when you work on adding your coins today. Let's practice. 25 plus 10. Now this is a tricky one for a lot of our students, right? 25 plus 10 makes our brains think really hard. Sometimes we want to say 30, but that's not 25 plus 10. That's 25 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 25 plus 10, 5 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus 1 is 3. 25 plus 10 is 35. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if you can picture the hundreds chart in your brain, when you add 10 to a number, just picture the number right below it. Also keep in mind that every row goes down. So this is 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So just think about what comes next. Like what comes after 20? Well, 30 is next. So this is going to be the 30 row. Okay, let's practice another one. 35 plus 10. So this would be the same as if you have a quarter and a dime and you're going to add another dime. 35 plus 10, yell out the answer. What is it? 35 plus 10 is 45. Yes. Let's do another one. 55 plus 10. What is it? You got it. 65. Let's do another one. Now, on this one, look, this is 2 quarters. 50 cents is when you have 2 quarters. And you notice that this number is ending with a 0. So 50 is over here on our chart. And it's still the same process. Add 10. We're going to put our finger on 50. Go one number down. 50 plus 10 is 60. Good. So if we have 50 cents and we add a dime, it's going to be 60 cents. Okay, let's do another one. 60 cents plus 10. What's 60 plus 10? 70. What is 80 plus 10? Go ahead and yell it out for me. 90. What's 75 plus 10? 85. Good job. What's 85 plus 10? I can't hear you. Yes, 95. It's just the number right below it. When we add 10, it's the number right below it. Can you help me find the total value of my quarters and dimes, please? Here we go. Do you remember? We just did this answer. 1 quarter is 25. We're going to add 10, and so that's going to be what? 35. Good job. 25 plus 10 is 35. So the total value of a quarter and a dime is 35 cents. Let's do another one. 1 quarter is 25. Plus 10 is 35. We just did that. Plus 10 more. So now if we have our finger on the hundreds chart, it's on 35. We're going to go down one more to 45. 45 cents. Good job. Let's find the total. 1 quarter is 25. 2 quarters is 50 cents. And we're going to add 10. So 50 plus 10 is, let's look at it. 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 1 is 6. And if we have our finger on the 50 and we go one number down, that adds 10. So our answer is 60 cents. Good. 1/4 is 25. 2/4 is 50. 3/4 is 75. 75 plus 10. Look over here. 5 plus 0 is 5. And 7 plus 1 is 8, right? If we have our finger on 75 and we are going to add 10 to the next number down, 85. Good job. Our total value is 85 cents. Okay, let's do this one. 1/4 is 25. 2/4 is 50. Okay, let's put our finger on the 50 on the hundreds chart. Okay, we're going to add 10. That means we're going to go one number down. What's that number right below 50? 60. Okay, we're going to add 10 more. So we're going to go down one more. 70. Our total value is 70 cents. Good job. Ooh, it's getting harder. Here we go. 1/4 is 25. Okay, now we're going to add 10. So we're going to put our finger on the 25 on the hundreds chart. We're going to add 10. So we're going to go one number down. 35. We're going to add 10 more. 45. We're going to add 10 more. 55. Add 10 more. 65. 10 more. 75. Add 10 more. 85. And add 10 more. 95. 95 cents. Good job. Okay, 1/4 is 25. 2/4 is 50. Put our finger on the 50. Now we're going to add 10. 60. Add another 10. 70. Add another 10. 80. 90. And 100. All right, that's $1 right there. 100 cents is the same as $1. Okay. 1/4 is 25. 2/4 is 50. 3/4 is 75. Let's put our finger on 75. We're going to add 10. 85. Add another 10. 95. This is 95 cents. See, when you get faster at counting, you'll just count it super fast. You'll go 25, 50, 75, 85, 95. Let's try this one. 1/4 is 25. 2/4 is 50. Let's put our finger on the 50. We're going to add 10, 60, add another 10, 70, add another 10, 80. This total value is 80 cents. All right, now it's time for you to try. In this Boom Card deck, there are only 14 cards, and we did some of the answers together already. See, doesn't this problem look familiar? 85 cents. Use your hundreds chart. You'll do awesome. If you make a mistake, you'll be able to fix it, okay? Good luck.